Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick review of the 4th Gen LS Plus Series LED light from Lasfit. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, these are the Lasfit LS Plus LED light, and these are the 4th Gen LS series. So, yep, I've used this before. I'm currently using them right now on my RAV4. I got the previous generation of this LS Plus series, and the previous gen, they're awesome. Again, I'm still using them on my RAV4. I don't have any issues on them, so yeah. So now it's time to upgrade with the 4th gen, and these are 65 watts per bulb. Okay, so combined, basically that is 130 watts. And yeah, so basic packaging on this one, it's nice. From Lasfit, basically everything that I got from Lasfit, it's well packaged. The quality on them are good. It's awesome. So on the specs here, that's written here in the box, voltage, it says 12 to 16, color temp is 6000K, and warranty is 2 years. And basically package includes 2 pieces of LED kits. Again, these are the H11. You can also use them on H8 and H9. So yeah, so again, I'll be using this on the RAV4. If you have a 3rd gen Tacoma, like 2016 and up to 2018, I believe, you can use this on your low beams. And these are the H11, so low beams. And then on the high beam, actually it uses the H9, which will be compatible, right? So this will be compatible on high and low beam on your Tacoma also. But on my use, I'll be using this on my fog lights on the RAV4. So here we have a product manual in here, and again, the actual product. So again, packaging, it's well padded. We have some foam to protect them on shipment, basically. So let's pull up one. And yeah, so build quality on this one, it's awesome. Lasfit never fails. So we have an external driver in here, which definitely helps on heat dissipation, because our fan in here, okay, this is a 5-blade fan, and it's about 1.18-inch ball bearing fan. So it will not work hard because we have our LED driver, external LED driver, which will not contribute on the heat. All right, so basically the fan will only work on dissipating the heat from the copper tubing that's in here. All right, so these are the dual copper tube. All right, and using copper, basically it is good to dissipate the heat on that one. All right, with the LED on this one, the LED chips, we have 6 on each sides. Basically that is 12 total on one bulb. Again, these are 65 watts per bulb, which will be bright, super bright on that one. So as I tested before on the 9005 4th Gen LS Plus, those are bright. I love it when I put on my high beam on the 4Runner. I love it. So again, on this, we will be using this on our RAV4. Okay, so I'm not going to show you an install video. So if you want to watch an install video, I'll put it up here. Basically when I installed my previous Lasfit on the RAV4. All right, so on my RAV4, as some of you know already, I have a laminx yellow tint in there. So the next video that you will see with this on, I'll have a yellow fog lights. All right, and this will definitely help on that one. All right, so let's proceed and let's drive.